Why does nobody use these? They're in cars for years. Of course, cars saying every time we trade in a car, nobody has ever seemed to use this. Boot liners are dead handy in cars, but they're a slippery type of surface, so things tend to slide around. Anyway, take out the netting. In the boot, there's going to be some cargo hooks. So if you see over here, over here, over here, and over here, and actually up here, and also up here. So just put them into each corner. That's secure, but that still leaves us with another hook here, another hook here, another hook here, and another hook here. Some people have different ways of doing it. This is the way I would do it. So this middle one, I'd still go back to the rear anchor. And this last one, I'd also bring that over to the rear anchor. This elastic hook eye, I'd push it up in here. And then the other one over here at the front, I would pull this one through here and I'd wrap it in on the safety belt. Once that's done, what you then have is two sections. So for stuff that's going to be sliding around the boot, I'd leave it. Oh my God. I mean, I would place it very carefully on the net and that would stop rolling around in the boot. And for other cargo, if it's rolling around the boot, I'd put it underneath and that's held in there then. There's nothing new about them. They've been out for years, but I never see people using them. Hopefully that's useful. Thanks for watching.